When you don't know what to do with your hair, just do this. Make sure that you just spray it with water. Spray it, spray your strands, spray your twists, spray your braids, and make sure that the water is sinking in. And then just take your oil and apply it to your scalp and rub it in like so. Don't worry, just follow this process, rubbing the oil. Make sure that you're getting to your scalp nicely, especially the parts that are not um, easy to see. Just take your fingertips and apply it like so. Sometimes when you just pour it with that oil dispenser, you might end up adding too much oil, but when you do it with your pouring it in your palm and then applying it with your fingertips, it does a better job. And then just do like that. I can assure you it is really liberating, or I would say soothing, when you do it like that. It's soothing to just massage your scalp that way. Don't forget your edges. Okay, put some oil on your edges. Of course, make sure that you have put water first. Like when you're spraying your hair, make sure that you spray some of that water on your edges, and then go ahead and apply oil. Advise oil. I don't advise you to put any conditioner because you want to avoid buildups. So for your scalp, make sure that you just do oil. Actually, our hair scalp just produces its own oils, and because our hair is always dry, we usually add some oil. Now, you can do what I'm doing here, which is adding a mix of conditioner with some water in a bottle or in a spray bottle. Shake it together and apply it to your hair like this. That way your twist will not get old on time, because you just spray it on and then you press it in. It's kind of better than when you take it individually and apply directly. It makes your twist to start looking old on time. But when you do like this and just press it in the way I'm doing it, you will find that your braids or your twists will be moisturized. Okay, don't forget that this is a time when you don't feel like doing anything. You're almost frustrated with your hair and you're not feeling it, and you think that your hair is not growing as it ought to grow. And this is the little tip, little advice: leave it alone. At that time, just leave it alone. But remember to do these steps. Spray it with this mixed conditioner and water. Okay, spray it. Make sure that you're getting every part of it. Go through the back, go through the side. And you'll know when the conditioner has really gotten in there. You will feel it. It will feel softer to your hands, and it will be more it will feel heavier too, and more flexible, so it won't be stiff anymore. Maybe because of dryness your hair has become so stiff, and that can be frustrating, right? So but when you do this, it becomes soft and you'd like it. You start to feel your hair again. And then you have butter. Take your butter, hair butter, take it and seal in this moisture that you have put in. Here I'm using the Kemp's Natural Shea Butter, or Kemp's Natural Hair Butter. It fell down here, so oops. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up that mess, and then I'll take my butter. Okay, take my butter again, apply it to my palm, then mix it like this, or warm it up like this. It will dissolve it. and it'll be make it easily applicable. Make sure that you have the correct butter. Well, this is the Kemp Natural butter. It's really original, real butter from Africa, fair trade. We help those women who make this butter. When we purchase this butter from them, it allows them to send their kids to school and allows them to feed their families. Yeah, so this is how you rub in this butter into your hair, like so. Pay attention to the tips of your hair. The ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, so make sure that you're not neglecting them and you're really taking care of them, because they easily tangle up, and before you know it, you can see how defined the curls at the end look. Oh my god, I love it when I apply butter to my hair and then I do like that. It just looks, oh my god, very defined. And you see, it looks curly, and you're like, wow, it's so nice. I just love it. So this is how I do, and I love the result. I always love it when I look at it. It just makes me want to do it again and again. And this is one of those days when you just didn't know what to do. I'm like, you know what? Consistency is key. I want to keep the routine going. I want to keep the result there. So, and that's it. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. After that, you can just pack your hair up in a bun. I like to put my hair in the front of my head at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video with your friends, and let us know what kind of topic you want us to talk about. Please let us know in the comment section what you want us to talk about next time. And thank you for your support. Thank you for following us, for liking our videos, for purchasing from us. Thank you for everything that you're doing for us, for this small family-owned business. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you can pack it anyhow you want, okay? Bye.